Apologies. First of all, good job everybody for making it through to December. I hope that you've managed to achieve all the things that you wanted to achieve this year. If not, you still have one more month, so keep going at it and it'll all pay off by the end of the year. I'm going to be filming Vlogmas this year in a long form video style, so I hope you enjoy this series. Good morning everybody and happy Vlogmas. It is freezing cold right now in the UK. We are headed to Fortitude Bakery for some pastries. So cold. I think we'll have to queue because it's a bit late.
One sprout and pancetta. Yes, please. You want a drink?
We got our pastries, but honestly it's pretty manic in there. You don't even have time to see the pastries, but hopefully it'll be good. We're gonna head to Pret now to grab a drink and try our pastries. We just grabbed the coffee so that we can eat here. We got the sprout and pancetta puffs pastry, the sausage roll, and the chocolate and custard Danish. Oh my god, it's so messy. It's like creamy inside, like a chicken mushroom pie, but with Brussels sprouts and pancetta. Overall, a great festive find. Next up, we're gonna try the sausage roll. Absolutely stuffed to the brim. How does one even eat this? So much meat. The sausage meat surprisingly tastes pretty light inside. It is a lot of meat, like the ratio of meat to pastry, but I really like that. It's more of like a chewy pastry filled with chocolate and custard. It's really good. It's not flaky.
Like a bread and butter pudding.
But we're heading to the British Museum just because we passed by it, and why not? Escape from the cold. Time to be cultured. This is my favorite part of the British Museum. It's so bright and there's lots of windows and light. Today we're heading to a restaurant called Akub in Notting Hill. Going to be dining there today. Oh, the eggs are so hard. Okay? Is it meant to be just like fried eggs? We just finished brunch at Akub, which is a Palestinian restaurant, and now we're heading to Jumo Coffee for some coffee. It's now time to eat some Kintan Japanese BBQ. Birthday lunch! Yeah! Pork chow! Galbi galbi! Beef!
No.
That was Kintan.
good as per usual. The high standards have been met.
There's so much food.
That's why you need a coffee.
Yeah. Oh, it just smells like smoke. Good morning everybody. We are going to be heading to Oliver's Cafe for some delicious English breakfast. I'll see you guys there. We're sitting outside in the orangery and it's so much nicer. Ordered Oliver's breakfast, which is a typical English breakfast, and we added on some hash browns, and I got the vegetarian breakfast, which came with halloumi instead of bacon and sausages. And we also got a skinny latte and a matcha latte. I really like the orangery because it's quite gloomy outside, but it's nice and bright here. What are we doing today?
Christmas at Kenwood.
We went to Christmas at Kew Garden before and that was really nice. So we're gonna check out Christmas at Kenwood. Although the reviews for this year don't look that great. But we're hoping it's still gonna be quite fun. It's raining now, but it's just a light drizzle, so we're gonna make the most of it. We're going with Ian's nieces too, so it's gonna be super fun. I'll see you guys there. There's another one! Go, go, go! Careful, don't slip! Wow, good job! I just got it by myself. We just finished Christmas at Kenwood and I thought it was okay. For £30 though, I felt like it was pretty pricey. There were just a lot of uplight trees but not many light installations, which was kind of sad. For like an epic light show, I don't think it was very worth it, but it was still a pretty fun evening.
It was pretty good. Alright, see you in the next vlog.